Today I will be talking about lifestyle changes and foods to boost immunity among kids. Also, we'll share some nutrient-dense recipes which can make a healthy in-between snack. So keep watching till the end. Amidst the pandemic, while kids are doing online schooling from home, it is important that we as parents help them build their immunity. For overall well-being, we need to ensure 4 things. The first one is that they are eating healthy most of the days. Minimum consumption of packaged foods. Packaged foods have a lot of hidden ingredients. Natural juice has sugar added in it. Chips are made in palm oil, an oil which you would otherwise never use at home. Oats high fiber cookie has only 30% oats and 70% maida. Always see the ingredients list and just don't order by seeing their marketing name. Second thing you must make sure is that they are doing some kind of physical activity. It is important in their growth and development. Also, exercise will help them sleep better and improve concentration. Third thing you must ensure is that they are sleeping latest by 9 p.m. and for minimum 10 hours. This will not only boost their immunity but also help to detox their liver. Why I stress upon sleeping by 9 is liver starts its cleaning process around that time and only when the body is in resting phase. And the fourth and the most important is give your kids time. Whether they say it or not, they love spending time with their parents. Let them express their emotions freely. This will help to clear up and free their mind. Coming to some of the foods you must ensure to give your kids daily to build their immunity. As we all know, vitamin C boosts immunity and keeps infections at bay. Lemon is the easiest source for kids. You can add lemon to dals, veggies. Other sources of vitamin C are fruits like oranges, strawberries, guava. Proteins are the building blocks and very important nutrient in the growing years. If you want to give any protein powder, give the natural one, that is sattu powder, which is made of roasted chickpeas flour. You can add it to roti flour or sattu in water or in buttermilk. Homemade paneer is another good option. Those kids who eat eggs, it's a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Sprouts are also a good source of protein and make a good snack too. Either steamed sprouts or sprouts chilla. Ghee is an absolute essential fat for the kids. It boosts immunity as well as improves digestion. I hear a lot of kids complaining about constipation. Ghee will help to resolve it. Add it in all the meals, especially dinner. As I mentioned in all my videos, turmeric is excellent for immunity. You can add turmeric powder to milk, veggies or fresh fruit as small pieces in salad. Zinc is a trace mineral needed for growth and development. Zinc sources are nuts and seeds, meat, whole grains. Nuts and dry fruits make a good in-between snack. Fruits are a storehouse of antioxidants which your kids need, especially when they have junk snacks. Make sure they consume at least 2 to 3 fruits a day. Whether it's in milk, in sweets, pastries, cut down their sugar intake. Eating foods loaded with sugars reduces the white blood cell's ability to fight germs, thus lowering immunity. Make snacks at home. All cultures have different snacks, like Marwadis make suhali at home, Gujaratis make chakli, Maharashtrians make shankarpali, all of which is definitely more healthy than the packaged snacks like chips. You actually know the ingredients going into the recipe, all fresh ingredients. Immunity boosting energy bites. In a blender, grind together dates, almonds, walnuts, cinnamon powder and flax seeds. If you're into baking, you can bake carrot muffins or apple muffin. Make some hummus and store it. Either serve it with some veggie sticks, fruit or a cracker. Or if no other option, simply give some peanuts mixed with jaggery. It's a good protein and iron-rich snack. Before you begin to make changes for your child, be a good role model yourself. Be active, eat healthy, and stop ordering food from outside. Kids will follow suit. If you wish to get a customized food plan for your child along with a list of nutritious recipes, do connect with me. If you found this video informative, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.